Hey guys, it's Cameron with Bandzoogle, and today I'm here to show you our new carousel display option for the blog feature. The carousel view will look great on any page layout, but looks especially good when paired with sections. The new carousel view offers a rotating layout of blog post summaries. It also features multiple options so you can customize how your posts look. You can choose to display 2, 3, or 4 posts per slide with a maximum of 16 posts within the feature. To start using the carousel view on your band's website, click on the blog feature in the Edit Content tab and select Blog Settings in the left-hand menu. Then, click on Carousel View in the Display Format options. You'll then be able to customize the many carousel view options like toggling the share links on the posts, showing the post title, displaying the thumbnail image, showing a short excerpt of the post, showing the publish date, displaying a Read More link, adding a View More Posts link, and how many posts you want to show per slide. For older blog posts that aren't included in the carousel, we've added a View All Posts link below the blog carousel, which takes your fans to a new grid view to see all of your blog posts. Your fans can click through your blog posts going forwards and backwards. Plus, the thumbnails in the carousel even have a zoom animation on hover for extra flair. The slides on the carousel view are also responsive, so they'll automatically resize to fit on different screens and different column layouts. And that's it for today, guys, so thanks for watching, and we hope you're enjoying the new carousel view on your website, powered by Bandzoogle.